Don't throw away your old shoes. A leather shoe with a loose sole may look completely worn out, but in most cases, you can repair it at home. You do not need expensive tools or a trip to the repair shop. Today, I will show you how to reattach a separated sole using a simple mixture made from materials you already have at home. Start by pulling the sole completely away so you can work on both surfaces clearly. Pick up a wire brush and scrub the old adhesive off the sole. Move the brush firmly across the rubber surface until you remove loose glue and dirt. Do the same on the bottom of the shoe. The cleaner the surface, the stronger the bond will be later. Set the shoe aside and prepare the adhesive mixture. Take a piece of Styrofoam and cut it into small strips. Smaller pieces dissolve more easily. Pour a small amount of gasoline into a glass cup. Work in a well-ventilated area and keep all flames away. Slowly dip the Styrofoam pieces into the gasoline. You will see the foam begin to melt and shrink. Add more pieces gradually until the mixture thickens. Stir it with a wooden stick. Continue stirring until the texture becomes dense and sticky, similar to heavy paste. To increase strength and flexibility, add a portion of commercial shoe glue into the mixture. Stir thoroughly so everything blends evenly. The result should feel smooth and thick, not watery. This mixture combines the bonding power of dissolved Styrofoam with the elasticity of shoe adhesive. Prepare the shoe surfaces again. Use sandpaper and roughen both the sole and the bottom of the shoe. Sand evenly across the contact areas. This creates a slightly textured surface that helps the adhesive grip better. If you have a better idea or a different way to do this, write it down in the comments so the whole community can see it. Apply a generous and even layer. Do not leave gaps. Coat the entire contact area. Then spread the mixture onto the bottom of the shoe as well. Work slowly and cover all edges carefully. A complete layer ensures the bond distributes pressure evenly when you press the parts together. Take your time with this part. You do not want the adhesive to miss any gaps or edges. If you leave empty spaces, the sole can separate again later, and fixing it a second time will be much harder. Spread the mixture evenly across the entire surface. Make sure the layer stays consistent from front to back. Do not apply too little, or it will not bond properly. Do not apply too much, or it will squeeze out and create a mess. Aim for a smooth, uniform coat that fully covers both surfaces. Place the metal shank back into its position inside the sole if the shoe design includes one. Add another thin layer of adhesive on top of it for reinforcement. Align the sole carefully with the shoe. Once aligned, press them together firmly. Apply strong, steady pressure along the entire length. Wrap the shoe tightly using bubble wrap. Start from the toe and move toward the heel. Keep the wrap snug so the sole stays compressed. After that, wrap tape around the shoe to secure the pressure. Make sure the sole remains in full contact with the upper. Proper compression during curing is essential for a strong bond. Repeat the same process for the second shoe. Clean, sand, apply adhesive, align, and wrap tightly. Keep both shoes secured and allow the adhesive to set. Wrap it tightly and make sure the pressure stays firm and even across the entire sole. Strong, consistent pressure helps the adhesive bond more securely and spread evenly between the surfaces. The tighter you secure it, the better the sole will attach, creating a solid and reliable hold once it fully cures. Before wearing the shoes, test the adhesive strength separately. Take 2 small wooden blocks. Spread the same adhesive mixture onto one side of each block. Place the 2 pieces of wood together and press them firmly against each other. Make sure the surfaces stay aligned and flat. Wrap tape tightly around the wood to hold steady pressure on the joint. Check that nothing shifts out of position. Leave the pieces undisturbed for several minutes so the mixture can cure completely and form a strong, solid bond. After the curing time, remove the bubble wrap from the shoes. Carefully cut away the plastic and tape. Check the sole edges. The sole should feel solid and stable with no visible gaps. Try bending the shoe gently. The bond should hold without movement. Inspect both shoes carefully before you consider the job finished. Press along the edges of each sole and check every corner. The bond should feel solid and secure. There should be no movement, no lifting, and no gaps between the sole and the upper. If everything stays firm under pressure, the repair has worked properly, and the shoes are ready for use again. Move to the wooden test blocks. Use a utility knife to cut through the tape. Try pulling the 2 pieces apart by hand. If the adhesive holds tightly and the wood resists separation, that confirms the mixture creates a strong bond. Instead of discarding a good pair of leather shoes, you can restore them with patience and the right preparation. A loose sole does not mean the shoe is finished. With proper cleaning, mixing, and pressing, the bond becomes strong enough for daily use. If this repair helped you, press like so others can learn it too. Subscribe for more practical DIY repairs you can apply at home, and share in the comments what item you would like to fix next.